Hi, this is a short demonstration of the cab signal master. This device can be connected to two power sources. Obviously, it can be connected to an AC mains or onto a battery. This is a battery connection, and it will go into the power port here as long as the DC power somewhere between 30 and 90 volts. It will correctly operate the cab signal master. When the device is switched on, it searches it checks to see that it is actually connected to a track circuit, and will not operate if that's the case. For the purposes of this demonstration, I have connected a little 0.5 ohm resistor to simulate a track connection. Shortly after the power button is switched on, we will see this splash screen, which sets the frequency at 83 Hz, the code rate at 50, the current at 1.2 amp, and other settings which we don't have to worry about. We can easily change the frequency by pressing the F1 button and turning this knob if we want to find control, or we can press the up and down button, which cycles between 50 and 83. Similarly with the rate button, pressing the rate and pressing the up and the down buttons, we cycle through the usual code rates. But these are not actually applied to the track circuit until we press the start button. Now you will see that the code rate LED is flashing green red, which is now putting the code onto the track, and we can see it on the scope here. If I change the code rate, you will see it on the scope. So now I'm going to set 420 codes per second, and you will see an immediate change on the scope. Again, if I change it to a lower value, such as 50, you will see a huge change. So there's a big difference between, you can see a big difference between 420 code and 50 code. Okay, I forgot to press the start button. When you get the device, you're going to have to wire your own connections, and it will be onto this plug here. I've temporarily wired these small leads. You will use the two outside terminals to connect to the track. And it's quite simple to connect up the device. When you press the menu button, you are met with these options. For Aris Rails purposes, basic or cab signal 4 are the required settings. I'd say, in fact, the basic setting is probably the easiest setting to use. We're met with three options: the frequency, the rate, and the current. When we press the F1 button, it changes the frequency from 83 to 50. We press the rate button, it cycles through all the different code rates, but these are only applied, they're actually applied immediately on pressing the button. The F3 button does not work, but we can change the current by pressing the current button. Sorry, because we're on the basic, we need to go back to the cab signal 4. Now we can change the current by pressing any of the F keys, or if the current is not there, we can press the page button, and it gives us more options. So we can say now change the current level to 2.5 amps by pressing the F3. Start. We can also fine tune any one of these levels by turning the knob here. So that's the demonstration finished with. It's quite a simple device to operate and will cover all of Irish Rail's needs.